Hi, welcome back. You're watching Midcap Radar. Well, some earnings have been coming through. Capri Global, it's about a 2,000 odd crore market cap company. They've posted numbers, and it's a strong set this quarter, driven largely by their robust loan growth. The operating profit has also seen a significant jump of about 80% on a year-on-year basis. We have Mr. Rajesh Sharma, the MD of the company, who now joins in to take us through the earnings in detail. Mr. Sharma, good afternoon. Thanks very much for speaking with us. To begin with, could you give us a sense of what has been the movement in the asset quality as well? What are the disbursements?
So, disbursal this quarter has been, as compared to last quarter,
Mr. Sharma, can you hear me, sir? Okay, I think we seem to have snapped that connection with the management of Capri Global. We'll just get them back online. Just a quick check on what's happening in the market. Well, it seems actually status quo for now. So Nifty is just about holding at that 11,400 odd mark. The Sensex is down about 80 odd points as we speak. It's a better day actually for the mid-cap index. It has been outperforming actually through the day, but as we speak, it's narrowed its lead a little bit. And of course, in terms of stocks which are advancing and declining, it now seems this afternoon that it's a pretty even keel. We're back online with Mr. Rajesh Sharma, the MD of Capri Global. Mr. Sharma, we were talking about the disbursements and the asset quality. Sir, could you give us a sense of how what you've seen this quarter?
So, our AUM has grown from 1948 crore last quarter to the FY Q1 to 3,090 crore, which is up by 59%. As regards asset quality, our net NPA has come down from last quarter of 1.15% to 1.15%. It has come to 1.17%, the marginal increase, but they are classified based on the 90 days past dues. So asset quality in that sense, it has improved significantly. And our profit have also gone up from 7 crore to 27 crore this quarter.
Right. Mr. Sharma, so 3,100 crores is the book. 70% of that is MSME lending,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Just a quick, so this is, and a large majority of their customers, of your customers, would be new to credit? I mean, these are people who are accessing the formal financial system for the first time.
Almost 65% of our MSME borrower are first time getting formal to credit, and they have no income proof. So we assess them based on personal discussion with them and doing our due diligence when our underwriters team meet them.
Right.
And
55% are new to credit, basically.
Yes.
And what is the average ticket size of these loans?
So average ticket size of these loans is about 70 lakh rupees.
No, I mean, so you, I understand you started this business in 2013, correct?
Yes.
The MSME lending.
Yes, sir.
So we've not really seen a full cycle so far for you, for the business per se. I mean, would you categorize the margins are high and they compensate for the risk that you take, but what is the level of risk we're talking about here in this category?
So while all these MSME loans are secured by some sort of collateral of either their residence or their shop or their industrial unit, and as far as their performance of asset quality is concerned, while we sanction the loan for them a larger tenure of 5 years to 10 years, but normally these borrowers, when we see the trend, they either prepay after 2.5 years, most of the time, and sometimes because once they build their credit track record, at times they are able to access to the cheaper from other borrowers who are willing to give them much lower rate of interest. So normally the loan doesn't stay more than 3 years in the book. Majority of the borrowers.
Fair enough. I mean, got it. So is this pace of growth likely to continue? I mean, would you need to raise money? What could you just talk to us a little bit about plans from here?
So we are well capitalized. Our capital adequacy is about 30%. We have a capital of about 1,250 crore rupees. So while we are targeting a growth of 50% year after year, and as compared to last year of our portfolio at consolidated basis about 3,000 crore, we intend to achieve the book size of 4,900 crore. However, we are adequately capitalized. In another 18 months, we are not looking to raise any amount of capital. We have adequate number of lenders, which mix of banks, private sector and public sector, insurance companies and mutual funds, whom we are able to leverage our balance sheet. And at the moment, we are not looking for raising any money.
Mm-hmm. So by the end of this financial year, you're saying the book should be about 4,900 crores.
Yes, a mix of both housing finance as well as the MSME lending.
And the split will be similar, MSME 70%, or would it?
MSME will continue to have 70%. Yes.
Okay, Mr. Sharma, thank you very much. Appreciate you joining in, and good luck with the business. And we will catch up later. So the stock is up about 1.25% or so. The market is down 40 points. I think I saw a flash on the dollar rupee rate.